Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sunglass straps is probably one of the most important accessories for anyone who loves to wear sunglasses while doing outdoor activities. From preventing your expensive shades from accidental drops and scratches to keeping them within easy reach, a good sunglass strap offers both practicality and peace of mind, ensuring you never miss a moment of fun or adventure without worrying about losing your favorite pair of sunglasses. Number 5. SIGONNA Eyeglass Strap. Tired of losing your glasses? This strap provides a secure and comfortable way to keep them close. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their eyewear safe and stylish. It features a unique non-slip clip loop, unlike others that allow glasses to slip off. This ensures your glasses stay securely in place all day long. Whether you have narrow or wide temples, it's designed to fit comfortably and securely. It adapts to all types of glasses, ensuring a perfect fit. With its adjustable length, it offers a personalized fit for all head shapes and neck sizes. Enjoy all-day comfort and convenience. Made from premium nylon and non-clip thread, it's both durable and stylish. The sleek black color complements any eyewear. You get 4 straps in a bold black color, plus a bonus gift. It's the perfect way to keep your glasses secure and add a touch of style to your look. What we like? It has a unique non-slip clip loop that prevents glasses from slipping. Its adjustable length ensures a comfortable fit for all. If you need a multi-pack with a bonus gift, this is the one for you. What people say? Comfortable and doesn't slide off. Non-slip clip loop is exactly what they claim. Great fit. Doesn't slip or break. The fabric is soft and very stretchy. These take a little time to carefully position them on plastic glasses because they grip so well, but once they are in place they don't move. I have no concerns about my glasses crashing to the ground because the attachment mechanism on the lanyards couldn't hold them securely. Number 4. Pilotfish No-Tail Retainer. It's adjustable for a perfect fit, so you can stay comfortable during any activity. No more worrying about losing your sunglasses. Whether you're fishing, biking, or just running errands, it keeps your shades secure. It's ideal for any outdoor adventure. It helps safeguard your expensive sunglasses from damage or loss. Consider it a partnership for keeping your eyewear safe and clean. Made from durable, comfortable silicone, you'll barely notice it's there. Enjoy all-day wear without discomfort. It features the Pilotfish Pro Connect to protect your sunglasses. Choose from 14-inch or 16-inch options to find your perfect fit. Register your product for a lifetime warranty. We stand behind the quality of our product. What we like? This one offers an adjustable, secure fit that's perfect for any activity. It's designed to keep your sunglasses safe and secure during any activity. If you're active and need a secure, comfortable fit, this is a great option. What people say? 14 is perfect length. Like to slide my glasses on top of my head, and this cable makes them stay put. I just received and am using with my sunglasses. It is very lightweight and you hardly know it is there. I wanted something that was easy to use and allow taking glasses on and off easily and not have to put glasses in a pocket or stick on the top of your head. This strap is going to be a pleasure to use. This cable retainer is lightweight, well-made, functions perfectly, and is super comfortable. Number 3. SIGONNA Eyeglass Strap. Tired of losing your glasses? This strap provides a secure and comfortable way to keep them close. It's perfect for sports or everyday use. Its unique loop design prevents slipping, unlike other straps. It keeps your glasses securely in place, no matter what. This strap is compatible with all glasses, both wide and narrow temples. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. It features an increased length for comfortable wear, even with thicker necks. The length adjuster ensures a personalized fit. You get 4 straps in different colors, plus a bonus cleaning cloth. It's a great value and a stylish addition to your eyewear. Made from durable materials, it's both strong and flexible. Enjoy long-lasting use and worry-free protection for your glasses. What we like? It features a unique non-slip clip loop, ensuring your glasses stay put. The design is compatible with all glasses, regardless of size. If you need a longer strap for a comfortable fit, choose this one. What people say. They don't break easily. They hold my glasses securely, and I don't have to worry about losing my glasses. This stretchy band kept my glasses in place while kayaking. Easy to attach. First straps I've had that don't constantly fall off the eyeglasses. Number 2. Glasses strap, pack of 6. Tired of losing your glasses? This strap provides a secure hold, perfect for sports and everyday wear. It keeps them safely on your face or chest. Made from soft, stretchy nylon, it's comfortable all day long. The anti-slip design ensures it stays put, no matter what you're doing. It easily adjusts to fit any head size. The buckle slides smoothly, ensuring a perfect and comfortable fit every time. This strap works with most eyeglasses, sunglasses, and reading glasses. 6 colors let you match your style. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make things right. What we like. This strap provides a secure grip on your glasses, preventing loss. The anti-slip elastic material ensures a comfortable and secure fit. If you prioritize comfort and a secure fit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They stay tight on the temples of the glasses. They don't snag or revel. The adjustment bead in the back holds well. These keep my glasses in place, and when I need to take them off, remain close at hand. Don't notice this around my head or under my hair. This strap is well made. The colors and patterns are as described. It works with my Ray-Ban Wayfarers, which have large plastic tips. The material is comfortable. Number 1. Oakley Sunglass Leash Kit. Don't let your Oakley sunglasses become another lost item. This handy leash keeps them safely attached to you at all times. It's lightweight and comfortable, so you'll barely notice it's there. Enjoy worry-free adventures knowing your sunglasses are secure. Simply attach it to your glasses and go. The secure design ensures your sunglasses stay put, no matter the activity. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. It's the perfect accessory for an active lifestyle. This kit provides peace of mind, knowing your favorite shades are always within reach. Say goodbye to lost sunglasses and hello to worry-free fun. Experience the Oakley difference with this durable and stylish leash. It's the perfect blend of function and fashion. What we like. It's an official Oakley leash kit, ensuring quality and compatibility with Oakley sunglasses. It's built to last. If you own Oakley sunglasses and want a matching, durable leash, this is perfect. What people say. These are much less bulky than the rubber ones and don't absorb sunblock or sweat like cloth ones will in hot Texas summers. Keeps my glasses from falling off, or I can wear them down on the back of my neck. Easy to put on and take off, hold secure without being hazardous. They'll slip off if they get caught on something that could pose a strangulation hazard, and easy to clean disinfect. The rubber is a tight fit and keeps them snug on the glasses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.